It's Friday, July 2nd, 2021, and you're watching the Paper Call Report, brought to you by OfferVault, the largest affiliate offer directory in the universe. First, we have our top categories. Home Services has once again claimed the top spot on the top categories list. This will be the 12th consecutive week that this vertical remained at the top spot. Legal comes in second, while insurance claims third. Personal insurance and financial services struggle to keep up with the top three categories. Personal insurance remains in the fourth spot, and financial services continues to hold the fifth position. Now it's time for our top offers. It was another close race this week between the first and second place on our top offers list. But this week, NetFly overtook addiction marketing specialists for the top spot with their trucking accident calls campaign. Aragon Advertising continues to hold the third position, and American Classified Services pops up to the fourth spot. Addiction Calls closely follows but claims fifth place. Addiction and auto-related offers dominated the top offers list this week. For direct links to the OfferVault campaigns, verticals, and more, be sure to check out the Ringba blog for full details. A link will be available in the comments below. Now it's time for our top networks. Hyper-target marketing overtakes LeadSmart for the first place position on the top networks list. Aragon Advertising trails behind in the third spot, Market Call closely follows in the fourth place, and Digital Market Media claims the fifth position. This week, 4 out of the 5 top pay-per-call networks are Ringba customers. Again, we would like to thank our friends over at OfferVault for providing us with up-to-the-minute market data and helping us analyze the latest changes in the pay-per-call industry. Now it's time for our pay-per-call trends. For more market insights, we turn to our industry expert, Tina Dixon, COO of Ringlab. Tina, what is the number one thing that media buyers and publishers should think about before running flight booking campaigns?
Before COVID, flight booking was really knocking it out of the park. Post-COVID, there's a lot of issues with customer service calls. So publishers need to be real mindful of the negative keywords they use, how they're filtering, and maybe even consider the use of an IVR to improve the quality. My business partner, BC Smith, has a great radio voice, and we actually record all of our IVRs in-house. And of course, use the Ringba platform to configure them within the campaign structure. I'm actually doing some split testing on IVR versus non-IVR. The buyers are really liking it. The buyers, there's a lot of inventory out there right now. So publishers really need to get creative with their quality and focus more on quality and less on quantity. I think that stats are king. I mean, you really have to know what's working and what's not working. And the days of just throwing a bunch of stuff against the wall and seeing what's working is just not relevant anymore. You need to be a little bit more analytical, and split testing solves that. The IVR, the quality in flight booking with the IVR versus the non-IVR is much more targeted towards actual flight booking, which is why the centers are in business in the first place. I think that publishers need to really develop the mindset of is it backing out for them, but not only them, is it backing out for the buyer? Because buyers are getting harder and harder to obtain, and they're really shopping around for those quality calls.
Thanks, Tina. Now it's time for our pay-per-call opportunities. Elite Calls is seeking seasoned search publishers for their internal pay-per-call campaigns. Their verticals include inbound calls for Medicare, health insurance, and moving inbounds. If you're interested, please reach out to your Ringba representative or send an email to sales@ringba.com for further details. Broker Calls is a performance marketing network with over 20 years of experience in the pay-per-call and lead generation industries. They're currently looking for inbounds from publishers in pest control, auto insurance, final expense, and med supplements. If you're interested, please reach out to your representative or sales@ringba.com for further details. Now it's time for our Paper Call careers. Ringba is looking for more salespeople to join their amazing team. No industry experience or college degree is required, just a positive attitude, desire to learn, and willingness to put clients first at all times. Their salespeople can make unlimited commissions, travel around the world, and have the freedom to work anywhere that they want. If you're interested, email sales@ringba.com to learn more. Thank you for watching this week's episode of the Paper Call Report. Be sure to tune in every Friday afternoon to stay on top of changes in the industry. If you're a Ringba customer and would like to be featured on the show, please contact your representative for more information. Ringba is the call tracking platform trusted by industry-leading paper call companies. Connect your online marketing to your offline sales and get the data you need to drive revenue with Ringba. To learn more about how Ringba is changing the future of paper call, visit www.ringba.com.